Hello and welcome to Northwest University Online Multidisciplinary Science, Section 1033. I am Martin Shockey and I'll be your instructor for the course, so welcome. Our text is very full of a lot of very good science and I hope you enjoy it. Some things I have known about myself for a long time. For as long as I can remember, I have known Jesus and loved Jesus. I have loved science, and I've loved teaching science, so it's my privilege here to be your instructor for this class. I think that we're kind of all born as scientists, that as children we ask a lot of questions, we make observations, and we develop hypotheses, and we test them as children in order to figure out whether our understanding of our observation is accurate. So I remember an interesting story when I was young, very young. I remember hearing outside the window at nighttime a kind of a sparkly sound. And I remember the nursery rhyme which I had learned, which was Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So I obviously, as a very young age, made a hypothesis that the sound I was hearing outside the window at night was the twinkling of stars. Twinkle was a sound. So obviously then I went ahead and tested that idea, and I could find places at nighttime when I did not hear the sound. And then occasionally I would hear the sound when it was daylight, but not often. And then grubbing around on the dirt, I found crickets, and then put the pieces together and realized that twinkle was not a sound, but twinkle was something you saw, and that the sounds I was hearing were the crickets at night. So my hypothesis was not supported by my experimentation. So even what we find out doesn't work is very helpful in science. So online classes, as we're taking here, are an accelerated form of learning. It goes pretty quickly. There's a need to post and respond to other members in your class. So it will be important to keep timely in posting of your discussion group and the different assignments and the quizzes. I will keep on top of those things and grading them and getting input back to you. I can be regularly contacted by email through the university email system, which is martin.shockey@northwestuedu.edu. I'm looking forward to getting to know you and enjoy the class. It should be a lot of fun. Thanks.